For months, astronomers assured us that 3I Atlas would be nothing more than a spectacular flyby. A rare interstellar visitor, a bright object crossing the inner solar system before disappearing back into the darkness beyond. The expectation seemed simple. It would pass, scientists would collect data, papers would be published, and another mystery of space would quietly join the archive. But space has a habit of turning ordinary observations into uncomfortable questions. As new measurements arrived, projections changed. Margins narrowed. Researchers refined orbital calculations and began watching more carefully. Not because impact became inevitable, but because uncertainty remained larger than expected. Then speculation exploded online. Discussions appeared claiming the object's path toward Mars looked increasingly unusual. Rumors spread that newer calculations suggested an unexpectedly close approach. Some interpreted every update as evidence of danger. Others argued it was simply the normal process of improving observations. But what transformed the story from astronomy into obsession was not the trajectory alone. It was behavior. Reports circulated claiming the object seemed unusually stable for an interstellar visitor. Brightness changes appeared more organized than expected. Gas emissions seemed oddly consistent. Almost immediately, imagination filled the gaps. Some people began asking a question usually reserved for science fiction. What if 3I Atlas was not behaving like an ordinary object at all? When 3I Atlas was first identified, it appeared to be another fast-moving visitor entering the solar system from deep space. Its speed drew attention immediately. Moving at extraordinary velocity relative to the Sun, it crossed enormous distances in surprisingly short periods of time. But speed alone is not unusual for interstellar objects. What caught attention were interpretations of how it evolved during observation. Most active icy bodies become increasingly unpredictable as solar heating changes their structure. Ice vaporizes. Dust spreads. Brightness fluctuates. Yet observers tracking 3I Atlas argued that parts of its activity appeared unexpectedly regular. Some datasets appeared to show repeated increases in brightness. Spectral measurements suggested large releases of gas. Most astronomers interpreted these changes through conventional explanations: rotation, uneven heating, hidden jets, or surface composition differences. But online communities began treating every pattern as evidence of intent. One widely shared claim suggested emissions repeated at nearly fixed intervals. To researchers, this could still reflect natural processes. Rotating bodies often produce periodic behavior. Yet to others the intervals looked too clean, too structured. Suddenly words like synchronization, thrust, and maneuver entered conversations. Additional speculation emerged after comparisons between different observatories appeared to show revised orbital estimates. Articles exaggerated the possibility of a close pass near Mars and transformed ordinary uncertainty into dramatic headlines. Discussions expanded further when people began suggesting that if repeated emissions altered momentum enough, trajectories could shift. No evidence showed intentional steering. But once the idea entered public imagination, every observation started looking suspicious. That was the moment the theories multiplied. Some independent commentators suggested that radar reflections looked unusual. Others claimed images revealed structures extending from the surrounding gas cloud. None of these interpretations reached scientific agreement, yet they spread rapidly because they connected to something deeper than astronomy. People wanted meaning. Suddenly 3I Atlas became more than an object. It became a possibility. Some speculated about artificial origins. Others imagined hidden technology, probes, dormant systems, or unknown physics. Stories appeared suggesting unusual chemical signatures, unexpected molecular patterns, and traces of compounds difficult to explain. In reality, unusual chemistry alone would not imply engineering. Space contains environments stranger than expectation. But once mystery appears, speculation accelerates faster than evidence. Additional theories connected the object to Mars itself. Because Mars already carries its own mythology, ancient water, buried environments, unexplained geology, and the possibility that life may once have existed there. Online discussions imagine scenarios where the object could interact with hidden reservoirs beneath the surface. More extreme versions proposed activation events, seeded chemistry, or ancient cycles repeating across planetary history. None of these ideas became accepted science. Yet the emotional power remained. The thought that something crossing interstellar space could connect to another world captured attention in a way ordinary orbital mechanics never could. As interest grew, people began searching for patterns everywhere. Researchers studying planetary alignment noticed dates where orbital positions looked visually dramatic, and social media quickly connected them to ancient calendars, historical events, and old sky records. Claims appeared that ancient civilizations had predicted returning celestial visitors. Images of stone carvings, star maps, and symbolic artwork circulated alongside modern simulations. Similarities were treated as evidence. Historians argued that humans naturally project meaning onto repeating shapes and cycles. But the theories continued. Some people suggested that ancient cultures recorded previous appearances of similar objects. Others proposed that myths were memories of astronomical events interpreted through symbolism. Then another layer appeared. Discussions emerged around resonance and information. If repeating signals existed, could they influence systems beyond physics? Small experimental claims spread online suggesting humans exposed to repeated patterns sometimes synchronize responses. That observation exists in many forms across biology and psychology, but speculation stretched it much further. Soon people wondered whether the object was carrying information rather than matter. Not a spacecraft. Not a comet. But a message encoded through timing, rhythm, and repetition. A phenomenon rather than a machine. Most scientists dismissed these interpretations. Yet the popularity of the idea revealed something important. Humanity still struggles to separate mystery from meaning. We do not simply observe strange objects. We turn them into stories. And maybe that is the strangest part of all. The deeper we look into space, the more we reveal about ourselves. 3I Atlas may ultimately become a completely ordinary interstellar object explained by better data, improved measurements, and natural processes. Future observations may remove every anomaly and close every question. Or perhaps some details will remain unresolved and force new theories about how objects form and behave between stars. That is how science usually advances, not through dramatic revelations, but through persistent questions. Still, moments like this leave an impression. Because for a brief period of time, humanity looked into the darkness and wondered whether something out there had arrived with purpose. Not because evidence demanded that conclusion, but because imagination reached ahead of certainty. Somewhere beyond Mars, beyond telescopes, beyond the limits of current understanding, countless objects continue moving through the galaxy unseen. Most will remain silent. Some will surprise us. A few will challenge assumptions. And every once in a while, one appears that reminds us how little we truly know. We thought we found another object crossing space. Instead, we discovered something older and more familiar, the feeling that the universe still contains unanswered chapters, and that sometimes the most powerful signal is not the one coming from space, but the questions it awakens inside us.